Now, also, while we have established the fact that there are lineages and they had names that had to do with skills and specialties, there were also production hubs. We have what we call Ebu. Ebu still exists in a number of villages in contemporary times because it is from the Ebu that the palm oil is produced. So it's a kind of palm oil factory where we get palm oil to cook. Then we have pottery hub, production hub, still available in Isenyi, in Ilorin. Pottery. In Yoruba, we call the pot amu. The amu is a local source of storing cold water and storing several other things. It also has a lot of cultural uses and domestic connotations. Then we have weaving hubs where they weave ashoke, for example, still abound in Isenyi, in Ilorin, Saki here and there. We also had the production hubs, which may not necessarily have to do with the lineage, but it exists like combining several villages together, having a center where production exists. A number of villages in Akinyele and even in Oyo State generally still have a number of all those production hubs, especially the ones related to palm oil.